things first, I'm gonna take some of this As I Am Moisture Milk. It's a daily hair revitalizer. I actually got this to use on my son's curls, and it works. It adds so much shine to his hair, like shine that lasts for like 3 days. And that's kind of rare with him. Like his hair it just soaks up stuff, or it just gets wiped off. And this left his hair nice and curly. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Since I'm doing a bun, my hair will be wrapped up. I hope you guys have been cool. May was really busy for me on my end. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I'm on business, Pitre. You guys should know on here. And we have hair products. We're dropping our first body product next week. And you know, I've just been really busy with that, and I really wanted to kind of also give my hair a little bit of a break, just so that way my curls can thrive and grow, and look at it, it's really doing well. It's really doing well. Yeah, so I just applied the moisture milk kind of to my ends mostly. I'll apply a little bit more in the center of my hair. Okay, so that's the moisture milk. It smells like coconut. And I'm gonna apply this Hemp Bae. So I'm still gonna pour mine in my hand like this, but this makes it easier to pour out. That was kind of a lot. That was kind of a lot, but it's okay. It's fine. We'll live. I'll just really try to distribute it. Let's put it on our hairline like this. I'm gonna just take this tangle teaser, pull it through my hair, and actually I need to be brushing it up, so I'm not gonna talk right now. I'm gonna just flip my head. All right, now that my hair is basically all up, okay, what I'm gonna do is just take this same tangle teaser and just ensure all the strands are going in the direction that I want it to go. So before I get my scrunchie, I'm going to take some of this gel. This is our hair gel. I'm taking like this much hair gel. Okay, I'm going to rub it. Now, I'd recommend that if you have beeswax or even Murray's wax, that you use that if you want it to last a lot longer. I only need my hair like this for a couple days. I'm gonna go through with the same tangle teaser, and then I'm gonna follow up with my brush. So now I'm gonna take my brush and I'm going to just really smooth down everything. I'm gonna pull out some of my adult hairs like this. I think it's really gonna be cute. So that's a pro tip. Before you actually start your cornrows or your braids or whatever protective style, if you're a person who likes baby hairs or whatever you want to call them, take them out before you start. Otherwise, you're going to be messing up your hairstyle. So now I'm just brushing some more. And make sure you know exactly where you want it positioned. I kind of want it right at the top, like this. So that's what I'm doing. And brush it a little bit to smooth it out. I want it real smooth. I don't want no hairs out of place. So take your hair and you're going to place it on top like this. Okay, like this. And take your hair tie. Okay. About to fix this. Okay. Okay. So what I was gonna do was try to flat iron my edges to try to give me this look that I've been seeing, but I'm kind of nervous, so I don't think I'm gonna do that. What I'm about to do is I'm gonna take some of this braid glaze and take this edge control. So we're gonna just go ahead and slick them down. What I'm gonna do first, let's go in like this. Like that. Let's go in over here. Like so. I'm just laying a little foundation just so I can see how I want it. Like that. And then we'll do, I'm kind of doing like a topsy-turvy, okay? So we're gonna go that way, that way, that way, that way. Okay, right. Okay, there we go. are done. Bun is done. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray some of this spritz on here just because I want to make sure that everything is good. Spritz from the beauty supply store. If you don't want to spray it directly on your hands, you could just, on your hair, you can spray it on your hand. Okay, I'm about to change my bun. I want it to sit a little bit differently. So my camera cut off as I was tying the little gold string on, so unfortunately I didn't get to film that part. I'm trying to find some good light. Oh, there we go. My camera shut off as I was doing that, but that is my bun. Those are my edges, and I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. The style, you guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I know it was pretty quick, pretty simple, but like I said, I just needed something real chill, nothing crazy. Also, thank you guys for being patient with me on this little hiatus. I'm glad to be back in front of the camera. Good to know that I still got it. And yeah, I will catch you guys next time. Bye. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I know you see the bun. Look at those edges. The braid glaze speaks for itself. Grab your guys a jar at pitreessentials.com and let me know what y'all think. Comment down below if you tried this bun. Until next time, see you later.